searching both this world and its twin, looking for a place that I might belong, more than a shadow to all my sin. Now maybe it's time to step up, like I've never seen a better reason why. Come here, darling, I'm gonna lose me in those flashing hot amber lights. Try to be the word when you can't listen, I try to be the voice when you can't sing. I try to be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. I wanna rescue you from your nightmares and be a part of all your dreams. I wanna be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. Hello and welcome. I'm Wes, this is Tom, this is the Hippie Explorer. We travel around New England telling you where the gold is and where it isn't. And we just got up. We're here at camp in Maine, and it was a beautiful night, but
Getting warm out.
getting warmer now. We better check with the Hip Bee and see what this weather's gonna be like.
Hey, all you groovy dudes and you slap-happy hippies. This is Hip Bee. And I'm here to give you the weather. Here we go. There's no clouds up there. It's hot. Gonna be about 82 degrees. Sunny. Groovy, baby. Make sure you stay hydrated. And also, never trust an atom, because they make up everything. I got a million of them.
Thank you, Hip Bee, for that wonderful weather report. Take a quick look at this shirt. Holy smokes, there's all kinds of things there. So what does it say? Wild brains?
Brains.
Holy smokes. That's far out. That's groovy. All right, we better get breakfast before we're too late and they don't serve it. Let's go. We're following Rosie to a construction site where they dug out a culvert, and there was a plunge pool on the other side of the culvert before it went into the Swift. And Rosie talked to the people at the construction site, and they're letting us come down and dig some dirt from the bottom of the plunge pool, see if there's any gold in it. So we'll see. Here we are back at camp. Let me fill you in on the scoop. It's been an interesting morning. since I last spoke to you.
Certainly has.
We went over to breakfast at Mills Market. Delicious breakfast. Picked up some ice for the cooler and stuff. Then on the way back here, we swung in to see Rosie at the Coos Canyon Rockin' Gift Shop. And she said, perfect timing. The construction site up the road is down to the plunge pool. They're digging out the old culvert that went under the road. A brook came into the Swift River. And they've been digging down like 10 feet down, way down.
Yeah, more than 10 feet.
Yeah. And we wanted some gold from that, gold of some material from down there. So Rosie's been talking to them, and she said when they get down there to give her a heads up and she'll go over and fill some buckets. Well, we came in right as she was heading over. So we went over. And we went over to the construction site, and I fell and rolled all the way down into the hole, stopping just before the big puddle at the bottom. They didn't catch that on camera.
Gave me a heart attack. I'm still...
But he wasn't quick enough to catch it. But we dug out some dirt. You'll see us here digging out dirt from the bottom of this construction site, way down the bottom of a plunge pool. So we're optimistic that there's something in it. So we set up the spiral wheel over at Rosie's, and we're going to go run it through the spiral wheel and see what we get. So that's what we're doing today. See if we can find gold from a construction site, the bottom of a plunge pool. That should be interesting. Also, while we were there, Jim and Heidi, who are fans of our show and been traveling all around New England.
Big fans.
Going to the places that we go to. I guess they were just at the Littleton Diner not that long ago. And they happened to come in here, and here we are. So here's a picture. And that was great. It was great to meet you. Thanks for saying hello. Now let's go get that gold. Oh, I found one of these. 1-0. Hi, Cheryl. Say hello.
Going for the big bucket, huh?
Big bucket.
There you go. There you go.
You gotta get the bucket. You gotta try it.
Which one? This one's kind of different.
One that I really like is over here already. Set the hole in. I like that one.
It's not too big. Canyon Rockin' Gift. We're running that material over there, but Rosie's doing a demonstration on panning, so we gave it a break. We went in and got a giveaway item. Let's look. Wow, look at that. That's amazing. Has a hole in it. Comes with a stand, right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Pretty good, huh?
That's great. And that can be yours. There's going to be a secret word today. Could be something about this shirt. I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe.
Stay tuned.
Here we go. We're gonna classify the dirt first before we run it through the spiral wheel. Keep an eye out for huge nuggets in there.
Tell you, it wasn't easy getting out of that hole either. After I fell down in it, getting back out was kind of rough. How'd you do? You almost didn't make it.
It was
Rosie
rough.
passed you by and she was wearing flip-flops.
No, Rosie was already in front of me. But she definitely could have passed me by easily. I couldn't believe she was wearing flip-flops.
It's actually, it's actually a spiral. That's awesome.
Here we go.
And the water keeps it stratified.
Yeah.
So the gold, in theory, will climb up those ridges and go in that cup. That cup comes right out, too.
And that's a rechargeable wheel. You charge it up and you're good to go without a plug.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool in itself.
We have one, but you got to charge it, and it has spray bars. It doesn't work as good. I like this one better.
The one they have in there is a hand crank one.
Yeah. This cup is different than the one. This machine's a little different. I like this one better than the one we have. But that cup in the middle you can pull out, see if there's anything in it. And we did give it a test, and there was nothing in it. So we're gonna keep going. I had only done a little bit, so we're gonna keep going.
Wes is about to clean out the spiral wheel here. We have a few people watching. What's your name?
Grace. Chrissy.
Chris. Very good. Let's see if Wes gets some gold.
I'm just going to explain the spiral wheel first. We put the material in here, and it gets caught behind these ridges, the heavies, and it gets pulled, and in the center here, that's where the good stuff is supposed to be, if there's anything in it. We'll see.
Is that the whole bucket of dirt that's been
one
run through?
bucket. We'll
Okay.
see. I got two. See if there's anything in it. And that's why it's worth so much, 'cause it's not easy to find. And good thing I got another bucket.
Nothing in there?
Nothing in that
Oh,
one.
wow.
Oh, all kinds of heavies in there, dark stones. I gotta keep clearing it out. Gotta clear out the dirt. Alright,
Is that it?
that's
The rest
it.
of your
Just gonna let it run a little bit and get all the gold in the cup.
We'll be back. There it is. That little cup holds all the gold.
I don't know.
Not.
Not a thing. Oh, no, actually, I'm wrong.
It was actually.
There you go. All right, let's show you the gold that we found in those buckets from the construction site. Here we go. There it is.
Gotta get Rosie out here. We're gonna split it with her.
We're here with Willie. He's showing us what he's got. Look at that.
Nice.
He's dredging somewhere in Maine. And he's doing good. He's doing good.
11.5 pennyweight there.
That's great. Thank you.
You guys have a good day.
You too. All right, we're back at the camp now. And we didn't find anything in the dirt at the bottom of that construction site in the plunge pool.
No, we found one little piece.
One small piece. But while we were over there panning, using the spiral wheel and panning it out, we met a lot of people. We met Jim and Heidi
from Long Island.
From Long Island. We met another couple from Pennsylvania. I don't think I caught their name. They were just watching the whole time.
He hung out with Nick True and his mom and dad.
Nick True and his mom and stepdad, they came by and I got a picture. And we met Willie, who is a prospector up here. I think he's from New York as well, Long Island. And he showed us his gold. He's been working somewhere in Maine. Couldn't get it out of him. But he had some nice gold. 15 days, I think he worked to get that out, but that's good gold. But we're in the mood for a nice iced coffee. And, oh, we have that giveaway. That nice slice of geode with the hole in it. So we're going to be giving that away. And the secret word might as well be coffee. Because we're going to go get a coffee. Let's go! In Rumford at the ATV and snowmobile park and ride lot. See? And we got something for lunch. Might be dinner. Kind of late. It's like a late lunch dinner. Let's take a look. What do you got there?
Box of Chester.
Oh, Chester's. Look at that. Chicken.
Potato wedges.
And wedges.
And sausage.
I'll have to try them and see how they are. And some sauces. Well, we'll let you know. There they are. Got honey mustard and sweet and sour. Let me try the chicken. We've had this at Chester's. It's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Look at it. Oh.
They do a good job.
Chester's. It's the only place you can get gas station chicken. And it's good.
That honey mustard is great.
I'll have to try the honey mustard too. May I take a dip?
In your own? You don't get a lot in this one.
I'll have to get my own. Let me try the honey mustard. See the honey mustard? Ooh. He was being stingy with his. I had to get my own.
Oh.
Honey mustard is good. You could add a little of our honey to it. It'll be better.
That's pretty good.
We're going to sit here at this nice scenic highway lot. Snowmobile park and ride. ATV park and ride, but there's nobody here today, so we'll be back. We're still sitting here next to the road, watching all the logging trucks go down to the paper mill. They carry all the wood pulp. If you go downwind from the paper mill, you don't want to be there. It has a funny smell. We were going to go there to eat, but depending on which way the wind is going, and the clouds are moving in the opposite direction as they normally do. Normally they go from west to east, but today they're going the other way, so there must be a big storm brewing somewhere. And I just realized as I was sitting here why we didn't find any gold at the bottom of that plunge pool. I didn't do a gold dance. See? I knew there was a reason. I don't know if I need to, maybe if I get some of that gold or some of the dirt from where they're dumping the dirt, which is easier than going down in the bottom of that hole anyway. I don't know why we didn't do that. So we may get some more. And I'll do a gold dance before I pan that out next time, and then we'll see. We'll be back. Well, we're on the road again. We just finished our lunch/dinner. And now we're going to head to a lookout point. Our secret lookout point. And see if we can see these storms coming in before we head back to camp. So let's go for a ride. Here we are. We're up on our secret lookout spot. And you really can't see with this. I'll get you a better view of it. The sun's bright right now. It's going down.
Yeah.
And it's a good spot to sit and enjoy the afternoon before we head back to camp. We like to come up here once in a while. Let me show you around. Well, the sun's over there. You can't see much because of the bright sun. But over there, beautiful view. Until all these trees grow in. I mean, was a logged area, and every year these trees right here get a little bit higher and higher. So enjoy it while it lasts. We're sitting up here next to the truck at the overlook. We're kind of hiding from the sun because it's a little bit bright and hot, so we're hiding behind the car. We were going to stay here for the sunset, but that's still a couple hours away, I think. We checked out a brook in the area while we were up here, but there's just no water in it. You'd have to pan. You can't set up a sluice.
You barely pan it.
And I didn't bring my recirculating sluice with the pump because I could have used that. I always have it with me. And the moment you take it out of the truck, you need it.
We got a giveaway today, too.
We got a giveaway. Giving away that slice of geode. Pink one. Hole in it. We'll tell you how to win that later on. If you know the secret word. If not, you'll have to go back and watch all the way up to this point again. Because we've already told you. We're probably not going to stay here for this long. Because we're still, from here, we're over an hour away from camp. So we're thinking about checking out another river for tomorrow on the way back. And we'll see how it goes. If we see something interesting. I did see a big pile of moose poop over there. Sure. Kind of fresh, but I spared you that one. But it was interesting because it was all kinds of goodies. Okay, we'll be back. I'd like to take this time to thank our members, those who hit that join button, and also those who shopped at thehipbee.com. These names you see on the screen are those members, and they are special people. These people help us to continue making these videos. If you'd like to be on this screen, visit thehipbee.com and make a purchase, or hit that join button and become a member. Thank you. Well, we just got back to camp after taking a ride up around and checking out some rivers and streams, and none of them have any water in them. So we saw our beautiful sunset up at the height of the land, and we're back here. We got a fire going. I used the Hippie beeswax fire starter to get that going. And we're not too hungry because we ate just a little while ago. But we may have a snack in a little bit. Dip. We still have some of the chicken fingers left. So we might dip some in some honey. And we got that giveaway coming up. So don't go away.
Can't see here.
Our fire needs the secret weapon. I let it get too low before I put wood on it.
Very good.
That's it. It's time for dessert because we're not having dinner. We had the chicken earlier and we're not really. But we do have a dessert. Tom's got a. What do you got? I thought you had a Butterfinger.
Reese's Fast Break loaded with peanut butter.
Those are really good.
Keep your fingers off my Butterfinger.
And I've got a baby finger. A baby fingers.
Baby finger.
The baby fingers. No baby fingers.
I can't believe you called it that. Baby fingers, yum.
No, baby Ruth. I had Butterfingers on my head because we have one of them too, and I couldn't decide. Butterfingers and baby Ruth.
So we got Butterfingers out of
baby
that.
finger. But that's no dinner, dessert before. Ooh, I just
Dropped it
my-
on the ground.
Wasn't open yet. It was almost open. Would have been disastrous. Let me try a baby finger.
Baby finger.
Now I'm saying baby finger. Butterfinger. No.
Baby Ruth.
Baby Ruth. There, read it yourself. Mmm. Dip it in honey. Oh boy. Been a day. I fell down the big hole. He missed taping it.
Yeah, because I was watching you roll and roll and roll. I thought you were going to go in the puddle.
Her and Rosie were horrified.
Him, I'm a him.
I can't speak.
Oh.
Him and Rosie were horrified.
Oh.
But I rolled good. I didn't get hurt.
You do roll good. Me and Rosie just looked at each other like, oh no, what are we going to do to get him out of the hole?
I was hoping the construction guys didn't see me because then they would say, get the hell out of here before you hurt yourself. I don't know if they did.
He was so graceful about it.
But we got the dirt, and unfortunately, there was nothing in it. Way it
But
goes.
we'd do it all over again with a chance
We
to find
had
the
to do
shiny.
it because we'd be forever wondering. You know, we had the opportunity and we didn't get it. But when the opportunity came and they were down to their lowest point, we took some dirt from that spot. Nothing. But it was fun and exciting. And we met a lot of great people hanging out around there for the day. And that's the best part. That's what it's all about, meeting good people.
Oh, the giveaway.
Oh, the giveaway. Almost forgot. Leave a comment down below with the secret word. Any comment at all, just got to include the secret word. Hit the like button, make sure you're a subscriber, and that's all you need to do.
And a special thanks to Rosie for the crazy day.
It's always fun. Check out thehipbee.com. You can also buy hip bee honey at Rosie's too now. Been selling well there too, so that's good. We can get, you can go to thehipbee.com, get candles and other beehive products and prospecting equipment and pay dirt and all that stuff. And if you can't get enough of us, you can hit the join button, become a member, and see behind the scenes videos and the bloopers that you don't see on this, regular episodes. And special members only videos that come out about once every other month. I think I said it all.
You said enough.
So until next week.
Peace.
Peace.